Hi everybody, welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so to answer this question, there are basically four things that you need. You need a compass, you need a pencil, you need a ruler, you also need a protractor. That's when you can answer this question or construction, so to say. One more thing, the most important thing, in case you make a mistake, is a rubber. So you can see we've got 5 items that are needed for us to answer this question. The first question reads, construct a triangle KLM in which KL is equal to 10 centimeters. LM is equal to 7 centimeters and KLM or angle KLM is equal to 120 degrees. So just follow the way things have been mentioned here. They've said KL is equal to 10 centimeters. So get your ruler, okay? So get your ruler as usual. 10 centimeters will be from here. This is 0. Don't start on 1. Start from 0. 0, 1, all the way up to 10. So we can do this. We can say our 10 centimeters, of course, will be right over here from 0. Don't start from 1. Start from 0. And it must be in centimeters. So you do your 10 centimeters, it must be nicely done, like that, okay? You indicate, it's very important that you indicate, this is K and this is L. It's also 10 centimeters. You must indicate that. So we go to the next statement where they have said LM is equal to 7 centimeters. So LM is equal to 7 centimeters. We can get our compass. We open 7 centimeters. So from 0, always start from 0. 0 is here. You can see this is 0. You measure 7 centimeters. So from 0, 7 centimeters will be right over here. This will be our 7 centimeters. So now go to L, because they said from or LM. We don't know where M is. Since we don't know where M is, we shall just come at this point where we are able to see a letter which is mentioned, and that is L. And then we just do an arc like this. This is an arc. So we know that this arc is 7 centimeters from L at whichever point is 7 centimeters. So now we don't know where M is. What is it that will help us understand or know where M is? It's the statement that follows, where they've given us an angle. Angle KLM is 120 degrees. So get your protractor. You go to the middle number. There's KLM. So the middle number there, that's where an angle will be. And that is L. So go to where L is. L is right here. So when you get your protractor, go to where L is here. So you can see this is where L is. And it must be straight with this point. You can see the point where L is. It must be straight. Now you start moving. Remember, we are saying angle K, L, M. So it must start from K, you follow it to L. So meaning an angle will be like this. This is where an angle, or this is how an angle will be. So follow the top scale. You can see where is 120. It's right over here. So put a point. 120, it's here. Okay, so once you put that point, you get your ruler, join. So you join the points. The point at L under, it must also pass through where you indicated that point of 120 degrees. Up until you touch the arc. You can see I've touched the arc. Very important. You indicate that this is 7 centimeters right here, and this is your M. The point here is your M. You also need to indicate an angle. This is 120 degrees, like that. So the next thing here would just be to join. Remember, they said this is a triangle. So you join point K with point M. So this is how our triangle will look like. We now go to the next question. For the next question here, they are saying measure and write the length km. Measure and write the length km. You get your ruler. You can get your ruler, put your 0 here. So you try to measure up to where M is. So from here to here, this is 15. So it's a 15 centimeters. So now to answer this question, because it's a separate question, you indicate that this is question 4A 1. I mean 2. It's 2. So this is K M is equal to 15 centimeters. Just like that. So you must write it that way, that it's 15 centimeters. Okay? So now from here, we go to the next question where they're saying, that's question B. Within triangle KLM, draw the locus of points which are 5.5 centimeters from M. 5.5 meters. You get your ruler as usual. You see your 5 is here. So 5.5 must be here. So from 0 to 5.5, it will be here, this length. So you go to where M is, because they're saying from M, 5 centimeters. So M is here, and it must be in between. So you do an arc inside the triangle. This is 5 centimeters. So you can indicate that this is your question B. You can either use the pen or the pencil, it's okay. B1, okay, B1, you indicate just B1, okay? Okay, so we now go to the next question. The next question here reads, within triangle KLM, draw the locus of points which are 1 centimeter from LM. LM, so 1 centimeters, meaning we must draw a parallel line inside here, and at whichever point it must be 1 centimeter from this line. So we use our ruler. That's why I said, our protractor and the ruler. That's why I said a protractor is very important. Compass. The compass is very important when it comes to this topic. So you can come at whichever point along this line. You do your arc. So I'll be here. I'll do my arc from here. So this is my arc. The other one here, this is my arc. So I know that my arc is here and right here. So I'll get my ruler and draw a line just touching the top part of these arcs here and also here. So this is how it will be inside. Okay, so I was making these arcs so that they help me, okay? They help me determine where the 1 centimeter is. So this is a B2, this line, okay? We now go to question 3. They are saying equidistant from M and L. So just go to where M and L is, or where they are. M is right here, L is over here. So when they say equidistant, they are saying you find, or you bisect, or you make a line passing through this the center of these 2 points. So now to find the center of those 2 points, we need to go, we open a compass 3/4, more than half, 3/4 of this line, just passing through the center, like more than the center. Okay, you can see they have opened it, and then you do an arc this side, and the other side also an arc. Hopefully you can see I'm doing these arcs, this arc and this arc. I go to the other point, I also do the same, an arc, an arc. You can see I wanted to find the intersection of these arcs, this point and this point, to help me determine the center of this line. So I now know that the center of this line will pass through here and here. So that means the line will be like this. Okay? So this is a B3. Okay? So we go to the last question. For the last question, they are saying a point, and that is question C. A point P within triangle KLM is such that it is less than or equal to 5.5 centimeters from M. So we know that 5.5 meters from M, it's this line. You can see this line. It's 5.5 from M to this line is 5.5. So they are saying it is less. So it's less than or equal to, meaning it must not pass this line. The region must not pass this line. It can't be this side. It will be less this side. And then they continue saying greater than or equal to 1 centimeter from LM. So greater than or equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter from LM, it's this line which is showing us the 1 centimeter. They say it's greater, then it must be above this line. Not below, but above this line. They continue saying, and nearer to L than M. So M is here, L is this side. So if it's above, less, and nearer, it must be this point. This is a region right over here, okay? So we just need to shade that region. I like my work looking nice and smart. So I'll use my ruler to shade the region. Nice and easy. I want my work to look neat. Okay, so this is the region we are talking about. I guess you understand and you have followed the steps. So these are the easiest steps that you can follow to answer this exam question. This has been Chamba Jacob. If at all you need any help in mathematics, science, biology, English, civic education, RE, and many more other senior secondary subjects, you can get in touch with us on 0969 5701. So you get in touch with us on this number. We offer online tuitions in the subjects that I've just listed. And we also have a center in Chingola. So if you're in Chingola, you want to register for GCE, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, 11, 12, even primary, that's grade 5 up to grade 7. You are most welcome. You can call us on this number. And if you just want to come through to our center in Chingola, it's in Kabundi South. This is Kabundi South. Okay, Kabundi South, Nkambo Street. Nkambo Street. So that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.